Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be fastest way to fix bad TikTok camera quality. Latest update. If you've been struggling to get good results from your phone's camera while filming TikTok videos, you're not alone. But don't worry, there are several things you can try to improve the quality of your videos. In this video, we'll go over the fastest and most effective ways to fix bad TikTok camera quality. We'll start by checking your phone's camera settings and making sure it's updated. We'll also talk about the importance of lighting and how to stabilize your camera to get the best results. So if you're ready to get better TikTok videos, let's get started. Here are some key steps you need to take to improve the quality of your TikTok videos. 1. Check you have the latest version of TikTok and your phone's operating system. Updating the app and your phone's software can often fix camera-related issues. 2. Make sure your phone's camera lens is clean. Dirt, dust and fingerprints can all affect the image quality. 3. Set the maximum video quality before recording by selecting 1080p video quality and 30 frames per second or higher. 4. Consider using lower video resolutions like 720p or 480p in low light settings. 5. Use the back camera of your smartphone instead of the front selfie camera for better resolution and video quality. 6. Turn off the data saver mode in TikTok settings to prevent blurry videos. To do this, go to Settings and Privacy, Cache and Cellular Data, Data Saver, off. Poor TikTok camera quality can be frustrating, but there are several things you can try to fix. By following these steps, you should be able to create high-quality TikTok videos in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful and you want to learn more about improving the quality of your TikTok videos, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.